I have been through other hurricanes in Puerto Rico, but this has been the most difficult one. Part of it is because it impacted the whole island. The 78 municipalities that in the island were affected. So now with the impact of this hurricane, it's become more and more difficult for families to have a decent shelter for them and for their family. As our initial response, Habitat is providing Puerto Rico with shelter repair kits. These shelter repair kits are going to provide residents with the tools necessary for them to start the reconstruction of their homes. So we need your help to come together to help us, help Puerto Rico become stronger.
Today here in Caguas, both the Habitat for Humanity International team and the Habitat for Humanity Puerto Rico team are distributing kits for the people of Puerto Rico.
These kits are definitely going to, improve their quality of life in the near term, and you can see already by the numbers showing up, and it's just a great feeling. Obviously, very rewarding for us volunteers, but the important thing is to really see those families getting some improvement to their lives in the short term.
Some people look at the kit and they see items and tools, but I see hope. Hope that will help us find the way to build our house again.